My duvet set just arrived from Toptree. Yay, I'm so excited. I love how it looks. I love how it's packaged and the cute little bow on the front here. It's so soft and I love the emerald green color. Feels very, very soft, and it's got a really cute little bumblebee as well, which I think will look really nice. Another one right here. It's so soft. So one of the things I really love is this gold piping down the side. I think it gives it a really luxurious look to it. And also, one of the things I also really like, it's got a hidden zipper to put the duvet inside. And it comes with the duvet cover and obviously the two pillow cases as well. And they also have the piping around the side as well. Beautiful. So I just finished putting it on the bed, and it's also 100% natural cotton, which means you can throw it in the washing machine, which is another thing I really love about this set.